This is part 2 of lesson 5.3. We're just going to finish off by summarizing what we did in the first example over here. So again, we had done a translation, a horizontal and vertical one. I did some counting visually, but I'm going to show you what that would look like if we had made a table of values. So first I'm going to do the horizontal translation. So what we're doing here is y is equal to our -2, and then we're going to put our x, and our h was in here, we have 4, so -4 squared. And so what that means is we're going to have our x value moving to the right by 4 units. And then I'm going to add the h in there as well. The h is +8. So I'm going to write the coordinates down for this. So our x value that we had here will become, so +4, so -3 + 4 is 1. And our y value from the last transformation over here would become 8 up, so 26, 18 + 8, 26. But we didn't draw that one in there. Over here we have -2, so move to the right 4, so -2 + 4 is 2. And then up 8 from the last one, so 0. And that makes sense. We have our 2, 0 over here. If we have our -1, our -1 we move to the right 4, so that becomes 3. -1 + 4 is 3. And then our latest y value was -2, move up 8, so 6. 3, 6. And so we have 1, 2, for -1, we're over here. And we went over 4, so 1, 2, 3, whoops, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right there. That makes sense, exactly. For our 0 coordinates, so our x, we move to the right 4, so 0 + 4 is 4. And then our 0 coordinate, the last value was 0, but we move up 8, so 4, 8. And so 0 is over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 8 over here. And that worked out that way as well. So notice I'm doing kind of the horizontal and the vertical at the same time. I'm just adding 4 to my original x values, and then I'm adding the 8 to my latest transformation of the y from the -2x squared there. And then you can continue with the 1, the 2, and the 3. And so I'm going to do that here very quickly, and you can pause the video and actually try it yourself and compare after. But for the when x was 1, I move over to the right 4, that becomes 5. So x was 1 over here, and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now my x value is 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. My x value is now 5. And then I move up 8 from the original y, so that makes it 6, so 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here I have coordinate 5, 6. And then for when my x value was 2, I move over to the right 4, so that's going to be 6 now. When my x value was 2, my latest y value was -8, so I move up 8, so that's 0 now. -8 + 8 is 0. So let's just take a look if that's the case. So here I was at 2. I move to the right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I go up 8 over here. So 6, 0. And then you can do the one with 3 over here. So 3 moves to the right 4. So that would be 7. And then latest would have been -18, move up 8. So that would have been -10. But we didn't draw that one in, so no need to do that one right now. But again, that's how you would apply all the transformations in table of values, and then draw all your graphs. So this was a case where we had an a is equal to -2, vertical stretching and reflection. We had an h that was equal to 4, meaning a movement of my x's to the right by 4 units, and a k equal to 8, +8, meaning a movement upwards of my value by of my y value by 8 units. So let's go try another example together. In this example, you can do a table of values if you'd like. I'm going to do the mapping rule method, and I want you to try both methods. The mapping rule was where you make a little formula for your XY coordinates, and then you can figure out what your points are going to be rather quickly.